The list of rejected candidate and qualified candidate for the post of LP government teacher in SDSEO, North Garo Hill, Resubelpara. Office of the Subdivisional School Education Officer, North Garo Hill, Resubelpara. Notice, this is for general information that the application of the candidate whose name are listed below in respect of the mentioned post are hereby rejected for the reason mentioned against each. The down the mention hangne belay in rejected. The candidate may come to the office of the Onasan for official clarification on or before 8 November 2023, after which any objection or complaint will not be entertained. So the candidate who are on the list of the rejected list, if they want to complain or have any objection, they will go on or before 8 November. The last date is 8 November. So they can go and clarify, and whatever they have complained, they can go to the office of the SDSEO, North Garo Hill, Resubelpara. This is the name of the candidate, name of applicant, permanent address, and the reason. The reason is because they don't have DLED. No DLED, no DLED, no DLED, no DLED, no DLED. This one, they don't have MTET certificate for UP level. They should have submitted the MTET certificate of LP level. So if this candidate have the LP level certificate MTET, they can go and submit, then you will be qualified. Two candidate, MTET certificate for UP level. No MTET certificate, so this candidate, they should go and submit the MTET certificate for LP. If they have that LP MTET certificate, they can qualify for this post. And all this candidate, they have no DLED, no DLED, no DLED, no DLED, no DLED, no DLED, no DLED. Okay, 70 candidates are on the rejected list. And the list of qualified MTET candidate, recruitment for the post of assistant teacher of government LP school under the Subdivisional School Education Officer, North Garo Hill, Resubelpara. So these are the candidates who are qualified. I will not read out the name, so you can pause and check your name one by one if you are on the list or not. 38, 39, 40, all is from North Garo Hill. 51, 354. Okay. 95. 100. Season Jeep Case Sangma. 101, 103. 116. 117. Teki post ru ki khambun hi hapo Resubelpara nam ta kane post LP. Try candidate ki apply ki bun hi. You can pause, then check your name on the list. 2021, 222, 232, 236. Okay. The Barok candidate to qualify, all the candidates who are qualified, there are 236 candidates. And from Khasi Hill region, there are only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Only 15 candidates qualify from Khasi Hill region, Khasi and Jante Hill region.